That's a lot of flowers. Okay, go up. Okay, Bella, go up. What do you say?
Oh, are you all right, dear?
Oh, she's just falling on her dress.
Hello. What do you want?
Trick or treat.
Yes, I know, but what do you want? Here, look.
Trick or treat.
What do you want? Pick one.
Oh, no. Maynards.
Maynards?
I love
You
Maynards.
like them?
And you know what else I have? Chips. You know what else I have? Chips. Look
There you are, Maynards.
at.
There, that filled up your bucket, didn't it? And you want the same?
Say yes, please.
You're pretty, aren't you? Oh boy. Did you make that dress?
No, we got it. We bought it.
Pretty. Can I take your bucket and I'll put them in?
He's good. He's gonna put candy in there for you.
I'll put candy in.
We're watching.
You
See?
make sure I do it right, okay?
We can offer a rewards program that makes it easy
You
to
can
turn
have
business
skill.
into pleasure.
Just you know, Maynards also.
Yeah.
There you are.
Greater comfort, convenience,
Yeah.
and flexibility.
Say thank you.
You're welcome. You do look beautiful.
Thank you for the treat.
You're welcome. Enjoy the night.
You too.
Bye.
Zombies are not real